Welcome, great minds. You are welcome to another interesting agric lesson. Today, we are going to be treating an interesting topic: animal feed and feeding. Let's take a look at the topic outlined for the lesson. We are going to be treating the meaning of nutrition, the meaning of animal feeds, types of animal feed, and the importance of animal feed. So, what is nutrition? Nutrition refers to the art and science of feeding animals. Just like we humans need balanced diet, animals also need balanced diet for growth and what? Development. The elements present in food are called nutrients. Also, different types of feed contains different nutrient. So what is animal feed? Feed is the type of food given to farm animals for the production of meat, milk, egg, and for them to carry out their day-to-day activities. For farm animals to grow well and healthy, they must be fed with balanced diet. Just like we animals need balanced diet, farm animals also need balanced diet so they will grow and develop well. If not, they might end up dying. So now, let's look at the importance of animal feed. 1. For continued existence, meaning to make them live longer. For protection against diseases, for growth and development, and for the production of meat, milk and egg. Now let's see types of animal feed. Animal feed are classified according to their types and the nutrition they supply, and they include forage crops, energy yielding feeds, mineral yielding feeds, and protein yielding feeds. Of course, we are going to explain them one after the other. First, let's take a look at the energy yielding field. These are fields that provide energy for the livestock or animal. They are rich in carbohydrates. Examples include your tuber crops just like cassava, sweet potato, yam, etc. Then you have your cereal, which include maize, guinea corn, rice, millet, etc. Then also we have roughages, which include your cassava peel, your yam peel, etc. Next, let's look at forage crops. Forage crops are grasses that are used to feed livestock. They can be harvested and fed to the livestock, or the livestock may be allowed to graze directly on the roughages. Examples, we have your centrosema, your stylo, your mucuna, etc. Forage crops include silage. They are crops which are cut when they have not fully matured and stored as food for the livestock. We also have hay. These are forage crops that are cut when they are fully matured. They are dried and preserved for the animals. We also have fodder crops. They are crops that are cultivated especially for feeding livestock. You cut fodder crops before the seeds are formed and when they are still green. Examples are your maize plant, your millet plant, etc. Next, we are going to be looking at your protein yielding feeds. They are feed that supplies animal with protein. Okay, examples of protein yielding feed are your soya beans cake, your fish meal, your palm kernel cake, and your cotton seed cake. These are examples of protein yielding feeds for animal. Next, we are looking at mineral yielding feeds. Mineral yielding feed are essential for the maintenance and development of farm animals. Examples are your common salt, your bone meal, your blood meal, etc. Common salt is your cooking salt. Then let's look at bone meal. Bone meal is rich in calcium and phosphorus, which help in the formation of bones, teeth, and eggshells. It is also important in blood clotting in animals. It serves as feeds for poultry bed. It can be prepared by collecting dry bones and grinding them into powder, thereafter feeding it to your chicken as their food. Next is blood meal. Blood meal is a dark brown sticky substance. It has crumb texture and produces foul smell. It is prepared by collecting fresh animal blood. The blood is dried and is then grounded into powdery form. It can be fed to your poultry or pigs. Now we have come to the end of this lesson. Feel free to ask any question concerning this topic that you don't understand, and don't forget to attempt the questions on your content pages and quizzes. Till we meet again, bye.